Alright, hey guys, Justin here, back down onto the metro system now after lunchtime and drop off our luggage. Here is our local station for the trip, Tiyu Xilu, and we're gonna continue on the line 1. Now, there's actually two types of trains running on line 1. The one we took earlier is the older generation, and I saw the newer generation just arrived on the other side towards Guangzhou East. So one train just left, it's way too packed, so that's why I just say let's just wait for one more. We're gonna go a long way this time. We're gonna go to Chen Clan Academy, number 7 over there. So it's a longer trip. I'm actually gonna probably gonna finish filming the entire line 1, considering that's such a short line. So because later on after the Chen Clan Academy station, we're gonna go to Huangsha station, which is on the number 5 over there. And then after that, I want to go to Huadi Wan station. That's the one that actually I want to do some train spotting over there, because that's the station is really cool with the underground station, but it's like opened up instead of actually like this. It's actually covered up in the middle here, but it's actually an open underground station with platform gates underground, which is really cool. So I want to go there. A lot of people actually went there to spot trains, and then I'm actually at Huadi Wan. Might as well actually just if I feel like it, just two more stations over to the end to finish off the whole line 1. But let's wait for our service. This line is actually pretty garbage. 5 minutes per train, considering actually it's not that long of a train over the entire platform. Alright, let's get the train in. We'll take 7 stations for this trip. And so unfortunate it's an old train, but that's okay. Let's go on board. Unfortunately, there are ads for this car. This is actually the females only car, which is annoying. Alright, let's get on board. Female only cars, okay. Female only cars is only rush hours, so unfortunately we get ads. That's annoying. We have a Domino's ad on this stupid car. It should be all underground for this line. I don't think it's gonna head out anywhere. So let's just go. Not really a fan of these trains, considering the area next to the doors are very narrow. I cannot even actually stand that well. Yeah, the motor, they're practically all refurbed for these guys, so that's why it's not really that strong anymore, the motor. Yangji Station. Oh boy, this is really packed because there's actually interchange for line 5. And again, the same designs for the stations. Really lame, to be honest. Really packed service. Shankou Station. Change for line 6. There's a lot of places that you can actually reach to this station. It's honestly not a long line. It's so short, this line 1. There's so many extra lines on this Guangzhou metro, and it's way longer than this. Basic design station. Wow, the station is so empty though. What the hell? Just kidding, over here is actually pretty full. How many cars with this line actually? And next station is a I actually don't know how to pronounce that name. The Martyrs, the people who actually died in like wars and stuff. Martyrs Park. No interchange. It's actually honestly very rare that actually there's a station in China that actually doesn't have interchange. Martyrs. Oh, I'm stupid. Martyrs. Martyrs Park. It would be cool if we actually can get a side platform for all of these stations. So far it's still all island. Martyrs Park. There's literally no special designs for this. Like, might as well just add some things in the station saying, like, make it look like a martyr's garden, you know? Literally no difference. Movement Institute. Next station. Not gonna do too many commentary because this is still my first time, practically my first time taking the metro here. Now the Chen Clan Academy station is one of the spots we're gonna go to. It's actually a I don't know, it's like a little bit of an old temple thing. I actually don't know. We're gonna go there, but for the videos it's gonna be featuring just the journey. So okay, this station is a little bit more different. It has a different color scheme. So yes, it has a different color scheme. It has the red poles on them. It's pretty cool. It's a very basic door closing. It's not even actually interesting. Next is just use the Chinese transliteration for the next station. 公园前, which is basically means in front of a park. So whatever park that is, no idea. But Interchange for line 2. There's like 20 lines for Guangzhou Metro, so absolutely ridiculous. Now, actually, a new line just opened yesterday alongside with Shenzhen Metro line 13, which is Shenzhen Metro line 13 just opened yesterday, connecting Shenzhen Bay Port. Now, line 13 is really short right now by MTR, actually, MTR Shenzhen. And that thing only has like 6 stops right now. A very short line. It's just the first phase of the whole line, so it's very short. But they finally opened up the metro to connect with Shenzhen Bay Port. So oh, looks like side platform coming in. Because I heard the announcement saying doors open on the right. Is it on the right? Nope. Just kidding. Oh, but it is a Spanish platform over there though. Wow, this is actually very cool. This is actually a Spanish platform on that side of the map. Crazy. That side track is Spanish platform. Oh, over here is also Spanish platform. Never mind. So it's 2 side Spanish platforms. And doors open on the right for clearing. Oh, this is such a cool station. This is so cool. What? Oh, this is one of the coolest stations. Wow. Spanish platform over there. The door on that side opened first. It's closing now. So they actually let people to get off that side first. That is so cool. After that side open and people start to move and this side open. Doors closing as well. That's so cool. Double Spanish platform to control the people. Wow, so packed. 2 more stations we're getting off. Should be another island platform upcoming, but this is so cool. For double Spanish platform. I appreciate the black stuff next to me right now. Then I can actually cover up some of the stuff. Ximenkou station. But it's so tiring because my hands are always need to be. Oh my gosh, and also my bag. Stupid. Not enough space. And here's the next station, basic island platform. And back to the basic designs as well. Each check cannot move my hands, so actually I just click the screen using my mouth. My lips just actually triggered the focus to focus on the spots. And next stop is getting off. So packed. Squished to the corner, so annoying. Next station is Chen Clan Academy. Yes. The destination of this train is Xilang. 下一站陈家寺. Every single station, and since we finish one and since it departs before the next station announcement, it needs to say the destination of this train. It's so annoying. Every single station, bro. Now there is a line to the airport, and that line is literally insane in the length. And arrived. Board island platform, of course, and no special designs again. Oh, actually, there is some special designs with the poles, but that's basically it. Oh, it's so packed. Oh boy. Off. Okay, there's that. Actually, I'm gonna film the train leaving at the front. Because this is actually the first car, so I can actually film it leave. It's just up here. Might as well. Should be departing soon. The driver's right there. Line is almost ending. This is literally the middle of the line. Really like the sound of the platform doors though. Okay, wait for the driver to go into back to the train and walk over here. And we'll just film it out. Actually, how many cars is this train? 6? Probably 6. It's very common actually in China. It's actually 6. There it goes. Wow, it's not a short video actually, this one. It's also like 15 minutes plus, but that's another section of line 1. We will probably continue on line 1 later on for another section. So, see you guys then. Click on these videos up top and peace.